Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ProTraverse brand, their positioning bed pad with handles. It's 48 inches by 40 inches. I have it folded over so I can show you the construction and fit it on my studio table. This is washable and it's a transfer slide pad for moving patients, turning and lifting. This product gets excellent customer ratings. They really love it. Has a 400-pound weight capacity for secure transfers. As a heavy-duty reinforced handles, as you can see right here, there's these handles are incredibly strong. They go on both sides, and they're also on the ends right there. This construction is unbelievable because it's totally waterproof and won't absorb odors or things that might occur, and it's also padded just the right amount. You can see these braces through here. These kind of braces hold like 500 pounds each, and they are stitched in, causing this to have incredible weight performance. And it also comes with a 30-day worry-free returns and 24/7 customer support from ProTraverse on Amazon. So if you have to work with somebody who has some limitations and you want to move them around, this is perfect for that. And because this is a slippery material, if you look, so it moves, this is going to slide easily on the bed that the person is on so that you could move them quite easily. And again, this is half the size I'm showing. But look at that reinforced right there. This is like triply stitched all the way across. These edges are triply stitched for strength. And then these handles, look at the way they did that. They didn't have to do that, but they did a whole square stitching pattern on there for strength. And again, these are probably rated at 500 pounds each. So this is very impressive. You're going to be able to slide a person on a bed quite easily with this and hold a lot of weight. And all the customers report that this thing worked excellent and allows them to maneuver somebody quite easily in a bed, even on a floor. And this material is the right thickness. They've got it multi-layered so that it has some kind of padding. So even if you were to lay on a hard surface like this table, it wouldn't be all that bad. There is some padding in here. So I'm impressed with this, the way they designed this, the stitching, the weight ratio is really good. So I'm going to give this ProTraverse, this positioning bed pad, a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.